In this episode, you will learn everything about the most popular and secure crypto wallet in the world with over 150 million users. How to safely install and fund the wallet. How to correctly withdraw money. How to connect networks and work with tokens. As you might have guessed, we're talking about MetaMask, and this is its complete guide. To start, install the app using the link in the description. MetaMask works on different platforms in the Chrome browser, as well as on iOS and Android. We choose Install Browser Extension because it's the most convenient. For security, we recommend using a separate browser for crypto activities, such as Brave. It's one of the most secure browsers. So, click Get MetaMask, then Add to Browser, and confirm the installation. The wallet icon will appear automatically. If the window didn't open, click on the app icon and pin it in the extensions list. If you already have a wallet, for example, from the DeFi bot, you just need to enter its seed phrase, and you'll gain full access to the wallet. If you don't have a wallet, then click Create New. Create a strong password, and click Create. Pay attention to the 3 key advantages of MetaMask. One address can work with multiple networks simultaneously, allowing you to use various cryptocurrencies without restrictions. The fee amount depends on the chosen network. You can choose an option with a fee of just up to $1, while in other networks it can reach up to $100. The ability to trade on decentralized exchanges provides access to tokens under more favorable conditions even before they appear on major exchanges like Binance. The main profits in crypto are made precisely on DEXs. Let's look at how you can fund your wallet. There are 3 main methods, and first of all, we will work with Ether, since MetaMask was originally created for the Ethereum network. First, click on the Copy Your Wallet Address button. Then open another wallet, for example, Trust Wallet. Select the Ether coin, and click Send. Paste the copied address, specify the amount, and confirm the transfer. After some time, the Ether will arrive in your account. The second method is centralized exchanges, such as Bybit. Copy the wallet address, log into your main account on Bybit, select Ether, click Withdraw, paste the address. Select the ERC20 network, the only suitable one for Ether, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. The funds will appear in the wallet fairly quickly. The third method is using exchangers. Go to the website bestchange.com, link in the description. There, you'll find verified exchange services with the best rates. Choose a payment method, for example, using a bank card, and a method of receiving. In our case, it's Ether. Next, select one of the available exchangers. The higher the site is on the list, the better the exchange rate. It's also important to consider the minimum exchange amount. Then go to the site, fill in the required fields, and pay for the application. After the payment is verified, the funds will be credited to your wallet fairly quickly. Now that your wallet is funded, you can trade on decentralized exchanges, buying tokens among the first at the best price, long before they hit exchanges like Bybit. But how do you find such tokens that can yield hundreds of times in returns? With the help of DeFi, a service for tracking successful crypto wallets. In short, blockchain is an open system, and you can find the wallets of the most successful snipers, traders, and insiders, and automatically replicate their trades. I've already made several videos about this and talk about it on my Telegram channel. Subscribe if you're interested. So, to fully utilize MetaMask, you need to add other networks. By default, the wallet works with Ethereum, but if you want to use, for example, the Binance network, you need to connect it. Different networks have different fees and speeds. In the Ethereum network, fees are high, while in the Binance network, they can be less than $1. Previously, each network had to be added manually. Now, it's enough to click Add next to the desired network in the settings. However, the list of such networks is limited. If you need some unpopular network, you'll have to add it manually through Add Custom Network. Here, you'll need to Google all these fields for the required network and enter them manually. But there's an easier way. Go to the Chainlist website, link in the description, select the desired network, and click Connect Wallet. Confirm in MetaMask. Done! The new network has appeared in the list. And this way, you can add any Ethereum-like networks. However, you won't be able to add networks like Tron, Toen, and the popular Solana to MetaMask because they are structured differently and require separate wallets. If you want to add a new token that is not on the list, for example, Pepe, go to the CoinMarketCap website, find the desired coin, and copy the token address. Then in MetaMask, click on the three dots. Select the Import Tokens function. Paste the token address, and the token will appear in the list. But there is an easier way. In the same CoinMarketCap, click on the fox icon next to the network you need, then add token, and the token will appear in the list. The process of transferring funds is quite simple. Select the desired network and coin, click Send, paste the recipient's address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Don't forget that you need to have some Ether in your account to pay the fee. In general, all transactions in crypto are paid, and you need to pay a network fee or gas for everything. This is how crypto sustains itself. The fee is deducted in the network's native tokens. For example, in the Ethereum network it's Ether, in the Binance network it's BNB, and in the Solana network it's SOL. So, to send USDT on the Ethereum network, you need to have both USDT and Ether to pay the fee. And now the most interesting part, exchanging unique tokens that are not yet traded on major exchanges like Bybit. For this, platforms like Uniswap are used. On Uniswap, click Connect Wallet, select MetaMask, and Connect Wallet. After connecting, it takes us to the trade or swap section. Next, if we want to exchange Ether for another coin, say Pepe, we first need to specify the coin's contract address. You can get it from CoinMarketCap. Copy and paste the coin's address. Then specify the required amount in Ether, and proceed with the exchange. 30 seconds, and Pepe is in our wallet. Now you know how to create and import wallets in MetaMask, fund your wallet, buy coins, and withdraw tokens. In the next videos, I will talk about the best wallets for popular networks like Solana and Tron. If you're interested in earning by tracking successful crypto wallets, subscribe to my Telegram channel. Link below the video. See you in the next videos.